Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to discuss about trigonometric identities. In this section, we will prove three trigonometric identities. The first one is the cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1, 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a, cot square a plus 1 equal to cosec square a. Here ABC is the right angle triangle at point B. Here with respect to this angle, angle A, AB will be base and BC will be perpendicular, and here AC is the hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Here AB is the base, BC is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. Let the name of this equation is first equation. Now I am going to divide each term of this equation by AC square. If we will divide the first equation by AC square, we will get AC square upon AC square. We can write AB square upon AC square like this: AB upon AC whole square plus BC upon AC whole square equal to 1. Here AB upon AC, AB is the base, base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse equal to what? Base upon hypotenuse is equal to cos A, and square of cos A is cos square A plus, similarly we can write BC upon AC. BC is the perpendicular, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse equal to sin. Now it will become sin square A is equal to 1. This is the first identity. This is the first identity. Now I am going to prove the second identity. 1 plus tan square A equal to sec square A. For this, we will divide the equation 1. We will divide each term of this equation by AB square. AB square divided by AB square. Here I am going to divide the equation 1 by AB square plus BC square upon AB square equal to AC square upon AB square. Okay. So AB upon AB square equal to 1, and BC square upon AB square can be written as BC upon AB whole square equal to AC upon AB whole square. 1 plus, here BC upon AB. BC is what? BC is the perpendicular, perpendicular upon base. Here AB is the base and BC is the perpendicular. Perpendicular upon base is equal to what? Tan. Tan square A is equal to AC upon AB. AC is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse upon base is equal to what? Sec. Sec square A. This is the proof of second identity. Now I am going to give the proof of this identity. For this, I am going to divide the each term of equation 1 by BC square. AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square equal to AC square upon BC square. AB square upon BC square can be written as AB upon BC whole square plus BC square upon BC square equal to 1, and AC square. AC square upon BC square can be written as AC upon BC whole square. AB upon BC, here AB upon BC is equal to what? Base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. This is the base and this is the perpendicular. It will become cot square A plus 1 is equal to AC upon BC. AC is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular is equal to what? Cosec square A. Cosec A and square of cosec A is cosec square A. This is the proof of third identity. Thank you, children.